Hello and welcome to One Man's Collection. Today I'm looking at just a couple of Hot Wheels movie cars that have recently rocked up on my shelves, and I've been able to grab while they are there. So obviously Optimus Prime, very easy to tell what that one was. Mainline vehicle 2025. I am actually not going to open this one, but we will take a little bit of a look through here. I do plan on keeping this one sealed. It is a good card, no bends. Look, I don't know whether it's actually sought after or what the deal is, but I've only ever seen one on the shelf, so maybe people pick it up. But having a look underneath, we've got a 2024 copyright with Hasbro. So Optimus Prime, chrome base, not much on the rear end. Black pipes. No, they're actually the tinted glass plastic for the windshield. Same stuff. Not a lot to it, but I'm not going to open it and put it in with a diorama or anything. I think it's better off with the card art and everything. Keep that for later. But compared with the 164 truck, of which I've shown these off before, the scale's way out. So I wouldn't put it on a diorama because it's the size of a car. It's basically the same length as that Porsche from Top Gun Maverick, which we'll have a look at next. But compared with at least this, what is it, a Volvo Porsche truck that I have with trailer, not here at the moment, that supposedly is 164. I have shown these off previously. These are a cheap welly truck. They'll go well with dioramas. But yeah, I think this is best left in on a card. So apologies if you do want to see it open, but no, not this one. So there's your card and there's your number up the top. Put that one aside, but this one, definitely opening it. I only found one of these Top Guns that only just recently arrived in the last week here in the middle of 2025 for me. I've not seen these before. Not a lot on the back either. So 4 of 25 stamped date. So U1504-25. So I'm guessing that's April. I don't know whether that's when it's made or when it was imported, but definitely going to open this one. And I'm going to compare it with a couple more of these 71 Porsche 911s because this is an old casting. I think it's 2017. But we'll take a look. I don't need to keep this particular one. I've opened some other Back to the Future, Knight Rider, Fast and Furious. I've got a few of them now. James Bond, there's been a few of those movie prop ones, and I'm going to put them on collected all together. So, you got a decent 5-spoke Porsche wheel. Quite traditional looking. Actually pretty good. Do have, it's a really hard rubber, but it is actually got tread on it. And so what have we got? It's upside down. Yep. 71 Porsche 911, 2017 Mattel. And this particular one made in Indonesia. It's got some sort of fluff on it. Rear end, we've got the Porsche written there. What's actually at the back there? On that other little black part there. It's actually something written. I can't tell. Is that 911? There's something on the other side. No license plate on this particular one. The exhaust pipes are not drilled out. That they might have to get. We do have a black line and a red, I'm guessing a reflector light there as well. Driver and passenger windows are open, complete black interior. And on the front, not a lot to it. Lights are actually done, even though it's a silver base to it. It's not too bad. Got a bit of a shine and metallic to it. We'll compare it with a couple of others of the Porsche 911 71 that I've been able to collect. So this came in the Porsche 5 set of Porsche with the words across the top. There were 5 different Porsche in that collectible set. I got 2, one to open, one to keep. Same here. All the way around. Excuse me. Hopefully I can actually edit that sneeze out. Made in Thailand. All right, so made in Indonesia. All right, so we've got a different manufacturer, but it's still the same process. Identical underneath. Yep. Let's get this camera down a little more. There we go. Looking at these others with Porsche as well. This one's got the red tyres and the same grippy. So this is another premium. That one was more of a silver series and or slash. I think the silver series. This one being 71. Oh, it's hard to read on the black. 71 Porsche 911 2017 again, and another one made in Thailand. Everything else looks the same. Different decals and the likes. Porsche across the top. Definitely the same casting. And this one here too, which feels also more like a mainline one. Yeah, it's got a plastic base. 71 Porsche 911, also made in Thailand. A bit of older ones that I've had for a while, but they do have the license plate. So that looks good. But this new one, I'm actually happy with it. Comparing the older one there, actually not too bad. Not too bad. Don't know Top Gun Maverick where they used that particular car, the Porsche. Oh, I squished my cardboard base there. That's not good. I grabbed it and it folded in. I'll have to get that. Yeah, there we go. Done. Anyway, short video comparison. The Porsche 911 1971 version compared with a few others that are already in my collection. It's actually pretty good. It will go very well with my Porsche build-up of cars, which must be about 30 of them now. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Cheers. Bye.